And moving on, a crucial meeting that will be held today on Amarnath Yatra, the meeting that is set to take place at 3 p.m. today, and the date of the beginning of the Yatra that will be discussed. Preparations have been completed at the Bhagwati Base Nagar camp in Jammu, and elaborate security preparations that have also been made. My colleague Gursimran getting us this report from Jammu. Take a look.
अमरनाथ यात्रा को लेकर जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार आज फैसला ले लेगी, लेकिन सुरक्षा के इंतजाम पहले ही कड़े कर दिए गए हैं। हम इस वक्त भगवती नगर बेस कैंप में मौजूद हैं और यहाँ अगर आप देखेंगे तो आसपास का जो इलाका है उस पूरे इलाके को सीआरपीएफ के जवान जो हैं वो मेटल डिटेक्टर्स और स्नाइपर डॉग से छान रहे हैं, ताकि अगर किसी भी तरह का कोई एक्सप्लोजिव या कोई ऐसा यहाँ पर वस्तु होती है जिससे कि यात्रा में खलल पड़ सकता है, उसको समय रहते निष्क्रिय किया जा सके। और सरकार की तरफ से अगर फैसला लिया जाता है कि यात्रा जो है वो कंडक्ट करवानी है तो बेहद महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है सिक्योरिटी ग्रिड, क्योंकि लगातार आतंकी खतरा जो है वो बना रहता है। सीआरपीएफ के एक अधिकारी हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, इनसे बात करेंगे। सर, जिस तरह से लगातार एक थ्रेट परसेप्शन बना रहता है, उस बीच आप लोग ड्रिल कर रहे हैं, क्या महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ें ध्यान में रखी गई हैं?
हम यहाँ पे हर एक चीज़ को, हर एक ज़मीन के हर एक इंच को भी कहीं भी लापरवाही बिल्कुल नहीं बरतना चाह रहे हैं, ताकि कोई भी अप्रिय दुर्घटना ना हो सके, जिससे कि सारे यात्री जो भी हमारे देश से कोने कोने से आएंगे उनको सुरक्षात्मक तरीके से यात्रा कराई जा सके और वो बेफिक्र होकर यात्रा कर सकें। इसलिए हम अच्छे तरीके से चप्पे चप्पे की छानबीन कर रहे हैं।
So clearly the security cover that has been increased and security forces that are deployed. However, a decision on how the yatra will happen will be taken at 3 p.m. and also what exactly will be the date of the beginning of the yatra. Remember, at 3 p.m. today is the meeting that is set to take place, even as preparations have been completed at the Bhagwati Nagar base camp in Jammu. Now, this is the area that is adjacent to Bhagwati Nagar base camp that you see on your screens, and CRPF teams that are checking every inch of that entire area. Sniper dogs and metal detectors that are also being used. This is how the Jammu and Kashmir government is really preparing to hold the yatra. This despite an exact decision on the same that will be taken at 3 p.m. today. Tejinder Singh Sodhi, our Jammu Bureau Chief, joining us on the phone line. Tejinder, what more can you tell us with regards to this meeting? Who all will be a part of it? And what exactly will be the agenda of this meet today?
Yes, Swisha, this meeting is scheduled to be held in Srinagar at 4 p.m. today, where the authorities would take a final call on whether to allow the Amarnath Yatra this year. On the Raksha Bandhan, the Yatra had to be concluded, and the Raksha Bandhan this year falls on August 3. So the authorities have not taken yet any decision of whether the Yatra should be allowed this year or not, because of the prevailing situation of COVID-19. Though the authorities have made all the arrangements, all the security arrangements have been made, and other logistic arrangements have already been made, put in place to ensure that the yatra is conducted in a smooth way. We have been told that around 4 p.m. There would be a key meeting which would be chaired by Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, G.C. Murmu. He is also the chairman of Shri Amarnath Shrine Board, and the meeting would be attended besides others by the Chief Secretary and other concerned officials of the Amarnath Shrine Board. So clearly, this would be a very crucial meeting where in the decision to whether to start the yatra would be taken. Yes, Risha.
All right, Tejinder, many thanks for those details. We'll come back to you for more on this meet once it concludes.